Oh my God. Look at this. Holy shit. Where's the cars? Where's the cars? Oh my God. They're buried in the snow. Look at the snow. It's that high up. This is the window. This shit's gonna blow. Holy fuck. It's still snowing. Look at those birds. Those birds are having fun out there. They're like, fuck this shit. I don't give a fuck. My ass is light as a feather and I could fly around and play in this shit. Yeah. Mm-hmm. What are you gonna do? You gonna sink right through that bitch. Mm-hmm. And they left.